Hello everyone, welcome to Vagdevi Tutorials. Those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today I would like to share a few words about history of C language. First, C language was introduced by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. He discovered this new programming language, that is C language, to overcome the disadvantages of B and PCPL programming languages. So to solve any complex problem, we have to keep three things in our mind, that is taking input, do the process and display the output. Here you can see the diagram. In this diagram we can see the input, taking the input, that is data from the user, and do the process by using the solution, means logic, and display the output on the monitor. By keeping these three things in our mind, we can solve any complex problem in a single second and in an easy way. So when we take the example of sum of two numbers, first we have to keep these three aspects in our mind so that we can find sum of two numbers in an easy way. What is the objective of sum of two numbers? Sum of two numbers. Input is two numbers. Let us take example A and B. And the process, solution. Solution means by using which formula we can solve this sum of two numbers, that is add two numbers, that is A and B. So the solution is sum is equals to A plus B and the output is sum. We can take the input from the user to the computer and we can display the output on the monitor. So keyboard is the input and the monitor is the output device. Here we can see that user is intelligent, computer is not intelligent. It has thinking capacity. It does not has thinking capacity. When computer become intelligent, when user gives the data, solution, so that it can process it and it display the output on the monitor. So the user has to tell to the computer everything in terms of instructions regarding the given problem. So we have to give the instructions to the computer so that the computer will solve the problem in a very easy way. We can give the instructions in an easy way by using analysis. Analysis means taking the input, do the process, display the output. Through this analysis we can solve any complex problem in an easy way and a simple way. See, here we can see one example, that's find the sum of two numbers. User tells the computer how to read input data. We can give the input data as two numbers A, B, and we have to process. Process means give the solution to the computer. Solution means logic. By using which logic we can do the sum of two numbers, means adding two numbers. Sum is equals to A plus B. By processing all this data, computer will display the output on the monitor. That is, for example, if we take the A value as 2 and B value as 3, then computer will give the answer as 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. This is the method to solve any problem through this analysis. Analysis is very, very important in every programming language so that we can solve a very difficult problem also in a easy way and a simple way. Next, to print something on the monitor, we need one printer. Printer is a output device and the scanner is a input device. So tomorrow we will discuss operations of printer and scanner functions. So thank you for watching and please